Welcome to ECNTRADE daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, it was a very volatile night on Friday. The dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, plummeted from 109.52 to 108.32 before settling at 108.80. This saw the Australian dollar surge further to the upside and reaches its objective, which was at 68.65. Touches it and pulls back from there slightly. On the open this morning, the market still seems somewhat determined to take the challenge towards that region, and if cleared, would see further scope towards 69.35 to 69.75. And in light of the technical pattern, I do support the bullish outcome to eventually reach its upside objective, close to 70 cents as a potential target. The euro also surges higher and opens relatively strong this morning. In light of the pattern, I like the way the market is paired up with the RSI and the MACD. That does support a bullish case, with the downtrend coming in around 101.60.80. Although we have seen a brief look on Friday towards that top side, as I mentioned, I do like the way the market's set up and therefore could see another slide in the US dollar back towards the lows around 108. Looking at dollar yen, well, the market also took a heavy tumble after falling away from the 144 area, plummeted to an intraday low around 141 to the lows there. And from the current pattern, still looks somewhat heavy, but I would like to see the MACD also break down a little bit further, along with that, with the RSI breaking through the midway point, because previously it did reject, so we need to be a little bit cautious here. Nevertheless, the call to the downside was at 142.50.60, and we reached there, and the next target now could be seen around 139.5 into this week. Slightly stronger case with the hammer coming through to the bulls. The market rallied further on Friday and now trading on the open this morning around 116, could see further scope to the upside. The close above 115.75 has put further upside potential to the call of 116 to 118 and reassess from there. So if I bring this up a little bit, this is where I feel the market can eventually achieve its objective. Gold also took a step to the upside, as you can see here. Look towards around 1,729 and backed away sharply. Nevertheless, from the close, didn't quite get through that level. That is 1,719. But I like the way this market is shaped up to a bullish case. So for the start of this week, I feel the dollar is going to be weaker, and therefore right across the board would appreciate the fact that many of the markets like Aussie, Euro, and also sterling and may rally further. And looking at gold, looking at the target of around 1,727 to 39, 1,748 to 49, and reassess from there. So somewhere around this region as a potential target this week after the recent respect from that 1,680.90 bullish foundation. Very whipsaw price action for oil as the market takes the challenge back towards that top side of the range, somewhere around $85.70.95. Keep an eye on this pattern because it has slightly firmed up a little, considering that we've broken through the midway point. And if we see a close above $86, then that might see further scope up towards the region of 91. Even though we did see a very heavy 5% sell-off, the market has recovered somewhat in 2 days. Well, that wraps it for the morning. Thank you very much for joining me. As always, look out for the intraday report. I hope you enjoyed a great start to the new week.